At Breitling, we're on a mission to do better. The next step on this journey is the Super Chronomat Origins. It's our first watch whose precious materials can be traced to their source. Its gold comes from an artisanal Colombian mine that protects its employees, its environment, and its local communities through a contribution for every gram of gold we buy. The gold travels to Switzerland through exporters and refiners who ensure its integrity all the way back to Breitling. As for our diamonds, they are grown in a lab where gas and extreme heat are applied in a vacuum to a diamond slice, crystallizing the carbon and allowing the diamonds to grow. In every way, they are identical to mined diamonds. Most importantly, they are free from conflict and human rights abuses. And we ensure carbon-neutral production. This entire journey is recorded on a blockchain that you can see on your NFT. Better gold, better diamonds, full traceability. This is not a prototype or a one-off. By 2025, all of our watches will be made this way. It begins with the Super Chronomat Origins.